Upstage 大语言模型的金融科技解决方案，有请。
Okay. Okay. This? Yeah, it's back. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I would like to take this moment to introduce to Upstage, and then I'm going to share my experience in implementing our InsurTech. Upstage was established October 2020. Our mission is ensure artificial intelligence is beneficial for everyone. Our primary business is AI product development, AI training. We take pride in crafting AI solutions and establishing others to comprehend and utilize AI. We have proactively contributed to the AI community with over 80 published papers spanning various AI domains, including optical character recognition and recommendation and natural language processing. I'm pleased to introduce our advanced AI technology and solutions actively shaping the future of various industries. Our flagship product, Sora, is the private large language model. In case where we can't use large language models like ChatGPT and Bot due to information security, we need a private large language model. We have tapped the Kaggle LLM leaderboard several times. Next is document AI. Many banks and insurance companies are currently using our advanced OCR technology. Document AI includes two main offerings, Document AI Pack as an on-premise solution, and Document API as a SaaS solution. We also provide Upstage, a platform that delivers hands-on training for AI in real business scenarios. Upstage offers 3 distinct educational programs. Securing strategic funding from KT, Upstage is poised to advance in the AI business, focusing on specific corporate and domain LLM solutions. Our next step is integrating our OCR technology into KT paperless services, enhancing digital transformation in the B2B sector. With the emergence of ChatGPT and the explosive growth of the generative AI technology, we expect many technological innovations to be applied in the insurance field, which is expected to increase even more with the recent advancements in artificial intelligence. Integrating AI into the insurance sector can enhance productivity and customer satisfaction through its application across various tasks. Among these diverse use cases, I would like to briefly touch on our recent project with Hana Life, the second largest insurance company in Korea. We have collaborated to develop an automated system for determining insurance coverage eligibility. Insurance policy holders are always curious. They wonder what disease are covered by the insurance they have joined or are about to join, whether they can receive insurance money when they get sick. For example, a customer might ask, will I be covered for colon cancer if I sign up to this insurance? Usually, insurance documents can have hundreds of pages, so inputting them into the LLM directory is impossible. Moreover, as there are many similar types of insurance, we must carefully consider each policy's specific conditions. In this case, we cannot get the proper answer using simple prompt engineering and retrieval augmented generation. With this, the customer questions main contract payment reason and special agreement payment used in the LLM. This is because I illustrated in the subsequent slide, considering the numerous components and intricate condition is not straightforward due to the hallucination issue and limited context window size of the large language model. In order to answer the customer question, we need to accurately analyze various data and confirm the contents of the insurance certificate for confusing disease names. This complex task cannot be resolved simply with prompt engineering and RAG. We need to examine numerous policies and rules related to new insurance business. You should understand what cancer is defined as in the reason for payment in the insurance terms. You should not confuse colon cancer with similar conditions. You also check the classification table of malignant tumors mentioned in the definition of cancer. To interpret the table of malignant tumors, you should understand the Korean standard disease and symptom classification and know which disease category colon cancer belongs to. In addition, you should read words such as cancer coverage start date and the table such as the insurance payment standard table. Various advanced techniques could be applied to overcome the limitation of the LLM. There are 3 categories, but actually we included one more, is building up from scratch. But in this graph, usually many companies utilize this method, and the left side is less resources required, and but is you can get the result very easily. But is right side is more advanced technology and requires much time, and you can get a better quality. But there are a lot of approaches, and there are a lot of you have real cases, so you have to choose the very deliberatory. But I suggest to apply the left side you first one because that is very simple and time and resources is very less required. So try to promote engineering, and then you don't have the you don't have the output the one you want, but and then next retrieval augmented generation method, and then fine tuning. So these are the many approaches. I will explain in more detail. Firstly, a simple approach involves the manipulating the prompt. One can insert the examples into the prompt or directly the model to handle the problem in multiple stages. Additionally, React is a general paradigm combining reasoning and acting with LLMs. Secondly, incorporating external information into the LLM, another method. This typically involves creating a vector database, identifying information that matches the user's query, and applying it to the LLM in conjunction with the previous mentioned prompt technique. Lastly, directly tuning the LLM is another option. We require high quality data and advanced tuning techniques. However, many issues could be resolved by building an LLM from scratch. This requires substantial time and resources. Furthermore, once built, considerable thought must be devoted to operation, maintenance, and updates. Upstage has developed specialized modules to tackle the various issues mentioned before in an integrated manner. Analyzing documents related to the insurance policy is essential. Simple applying traditional RAG technique is insufficient to properly handle insurance contracts with complex document structures. Effectively chunking at the semantic level is also necessary. Customer queries can be interpreted in many ways, as they do not always use professional terminology, so it's very ambiguous there was. So thus it's crucial to accurately classify the customer's intent and understand their questions. Based on this, we should infer correctly to answer the customer's desires. In collaboration with HANA Write, Upstage has identified the limitation of existing LLMs like GPT and Boum, and they equipped itself with technology and systems to overcome these limitations. As a result, we have been able to answer the question posed by customers with accuracy of over 98%. We're preparing a project to develop an LLM readable data set specifically focused on the structuring and constructing of insurance term data. This also involves creating an LLM-powered QA system designed to streamline the work of insurance planners by calling knowledge graphs that are structured and refined. Additionally, we are fine-tuning our own small-scale LLM-specific insurance and medical domains, ready to handle personal and sensitive information. Up to this point, I've introduced Upstage and discussed how AI is being utilized in insurance operations. I think that before LLM AI had not been largely applied in insurance or finance, but now I predict a significant increase in applications across many fields. I hope you found this presentation helpful. Thank you for your attention.